Hello guys, this is Woju TV. Today video to be talking about garlic. Garlic can be used in cooking and garlic is also good medically for the body. There are lots of people that don't like to eat garlic because of the smell of it. But by the time you finish watching this video, finish seeing all the benefits that's enticed to garlic and all the benefits that garlic can do in the body, I think you'll be convinced to be eating garlic. Garlic belongs to the genus Allium and is closely related to onions, Rachio, and Rachio can be found in Asia. Rachio is an onion found in Asia. Scallion, chivi, leek, and shallot. All these parts of garlic, all these similar aspects of garlic, everyone uses it in cooking. And it can also be used in Egypt for cooking. In many countries, garlic has been used medically for centuries. Garlic may have a range of health benefits, both eaten raw or cooked. Garlic may have a significant antibiotic properties. Garlic has a significant antibiotic properties. Now we are going to be looking at what is antibiotic. When and how? When do we use antibiotic? Antibiotic is also known as antibacterials. And normally antibiotics are medications that destroy or slow down the growth of bacteria. So definitely they destroy or slow down the growth of bacteria. Antibiotic drugs are used to treat diseases caused by bacteria. Antibiotic drugs are used to treat the diseases caused by bacteria. Antibiotic drugs cannot treat viral infections. What are viral infections? Many people can think viral infections is, for example, cold. When you have cold, you can't use antibiotic drugs to treat cold. Another example of viral infections is flu. You can't use antibiotic drugs to treat flu. And the third example of viral infections is cough. You cannot use antibiotic to treat cough. You can also use garlic for coronary artery disease. Coronary heart disease develops when the coronary arteries become too narrow to cholesterol blockage develop in the walls. The coronary arteries are the blood vessels that supply oxygen and blood to the heart. Now we are going to be looking at the symptoms. What are the symptoms? The symptoms are squeezing, pressure, heaviness, tightening, burning, aching. And these symptoms also can be weakness, sweating, cramping, dizziness, uneasiness. If you have all these symptoms, you have to use your garlic. You have to eat it or put it in food. This will help you in this type of situation. Garlic is used widely for several conditions linked to the blood system and heart, including high cholesterol, heart attack, coronary heart diseases, and hypertension. I'm going to start from the first part, high cholesterol. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is good and bad. At normal levels, it is an essential substance for the body. However, if concentrations in the blood get too high, it becomes a silent danger that puts people at risk of heart attack. Cholesterol is present in every cell of the body and has important natural functions when it comes to digesting food, producing hormones, and generating vitamin D. The blood produces it, but people also consume it in food. There are two types of cholesterol. First part is low density lipoproteins LDL or bad cholesterol. Second part is high density lipoproteins HDL or good cholesterol. The second part is heart attack. A heart attack happens when there is a loss of blood supply to part of the heart muscles. It often results from a blockage in a nearby artery. A person who is expecting a heart attack will feel pain in their chest and other parts of their body, as well as other symptoms. Spotting the early signs of heart attack and getting prompt treatment is crucial and can save a person's life. A heart attack is different from cardiac arrest, in which the heart stops working completely. Both are medical emergency, and without treatment, a heart attack can lead to cardiac arrest. Symptoms of heart attack are feeling of pressure, tightness, pain, squeezing or aching of the chest. Secondly, pain that spread to the arms, neck, jaw or back. Thirdly, a feeling of crushing or heaviness in the chest. Fourthly, a feeling similar to heartburn or indigestion. Nausea and sometimes vomiting, feeling clammy and sweaty, shortness of breath, feeling light-headed or dizziness. In some cases, anxiety can feel similar to a panic attack. If you have all these symptoms, you can use garlic. You can try garlic, use garlic, eat it or put it in food. It will help you in this type of situation. The fourth on my list is hypertension. You can also use garlic to cure hypertension. What is hypertension? Hypertension is another name for high blood pressure. It can lead to several health complications and increase the risk of heart diseases, stroke, and sometimes death. Blood pressure is the force that a person's blood exerts against the walls of their blood vessels. This pressure depends on the resistance of the blood vessel and how hard the heart has to work. Almost half of all adults in the United States of America have high blood pressure, but many are not aware of this fact. Hypertension is a primary risk factor for cardiovascular disease, including stroke, heart attack, heart failure, and aneurysm. Keeping blood pressure under control is vital for preventing health and reducing the risk of these dangerous conditions. In the part 2 of this video, we are going to be seeing how you can use garlic to prevent lots of diseases that is very, very dangerous. Thanks for watching Woju TV and kindly click on the subscriber button. Thank you.